Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Video GPT app and signing in. This ties your projects to one editable account. Next, import 3 clips, paste your script, and choose a cover image. This saves time later. Make sure to grant mic and camera permissions and select 720 degrees or 1080 degrees quality for faster renders. Once done, tap Create to generate your first draft. I explain why each step matters, so you avoid redoing uploads and settings. Now you refine the generated draft. Scrub the timeline, trim and split clips, and reorder segments with simple gestures. This targets pacing and emphasis. Change the AI voice and pacing for each segment. Preview after edits to hear natural flow. Add captions and transitions where emphasis or clarity helps, and pick the correct aspect ratio, 16:9 or 9:16. I show how these choices improve engagement and reduce rendering cycle. To finish, set export resolution and format, then choose a destination, cloud, or device, and start the render. Once done, review audio levels and a full playthrough to confirm timing and captions sync. If satisfied, share directly. If something goes wrong, first toggle app permissions, clear the app cache, and retry the export. This fixes most glitches quickly. If errors persist, re-import the project and render a short clip to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.